Do you want to know a simple way of painting tree trunks? Stay tuned and I'll show you how easy it is to do. If this is your first visit, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any new uploads. Load a round brush up with a dark colour. Press the brush onto the page, pull up, wiggle and release at the top where you want the tree trunk to end. So you have a nice tapered tree trunk. I then go over my tree trunks with a lighter shade, and then I go over them again with an even lighter shade. And that makes them look rounded. Very easy to do. Once that's dry, you can then add as many details into them as you like. Just give them something to stand on. Let's do another one. Press on, pull up and wiggle, lift off. So you're lightening the pressure on the brush as you take it up the trunk. This is a great way of doing gum tree trunks. Now let's put some branches on. So I've changed to the next size down round brush. Press on, pull up with a wiggle and lift off at the end. This makes nice organically shaped branches. You can vary the colours, some light, some dark, but this is just a base at the moment. Now we'll put some spindly branches on. We're doing exactly the same thing again, but using a smaller brush. And hold the brush right at the end, between two fingers, your finger and the thumb. Pull up, wiggle and lift off. When you do your branches, make sure you have some that overlap. Doesn't look natural if they're not overlapping. Most of them get covered up with the foliage anyway. It's nice to have them in there, peeping through when you put the leaves on. And there you have it. Tree trunks and branches. A quick and easy way to do them. I've got a lesson on how to put the leaves on these trees. Just click on the info button up on the right hand side of the screen. If this is your first visit, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any new uploads.